Mine was starting a sticker collection.
Goodbye, yellow brick
So I was like,
porch.
"Aw."
That pile of stuff right there, I'm taking to Colleen's, so I gotta clean it up.
Yeah, I don't think you want to
Coffee
take that
pot.
beer can, right?
The coffee pot.
Yes, I want the beer
plate,
can.
The bowl.
And
You want the beer can?
oh, and all the beer cans.
So,
Taking all the beer cans with me.
taking beer cans too?
Goodbye, backyard. Leaving forever. Forever and ever. Goodbye, house. I've been in for 7 years.
Get me off of that.
How do you feel about that situation, Joseph? Ambivalent?
That's it.
Doesn't suck, actually. It's wonderful. I'm happy to be leaving. It is very freeing. I'm gonna be a hippie.
You make a good one.
Thanks.
Like you would.
Thanks.
You do whatever you do, so.
Oh, really?
I'd be a good one
Relax
too.
and
I'm relaxed.
just go with it, man. Go with
I
it.
am,
You
dude.
wanna
I'm
do
a
it.
hippie.
You just gotta do it, man.
Any last words, Joseph?
Yeah, man. Like starting to wear clothes like that, man. You know, look at that shirt, man. From
And
1962,
lightning.
man.